Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got another great series for you. We're going to be learning how to make the Autumn Pines quilt, which is a Quiltworx quilt. It is paper pieced. It's a small little wall hanging. Here's a picture of the cover, Autumn Pines. I've already made a couple of these and they go together fairly easy and quickly. So this is what it looks like. And I'm excited about this quilt because it's going to teach you some really basic techniques that you'll be able to use in some bigger quilts if you want to tackle those, like the diamond wedding star, also the diamond wedding ring, which is a little bit smaller wall size quilt. The techniques that you're learning in how to paper piece those arcs, which is called strip piecing, using 2.5-inch strips. You'll be able to use these techniques on any of the wedding ring series. So if you've ever wanted to make the Bally wedding star, or they have a Bally wedding ring called a bed runner, and there's also a wedding star table topper. All of these techniques that I'll be teaching in these series, you'll be able to use if you wanted to make one of those quilts. This quilt has 4 different parts. There's the A units, which are these pieced arcs right here. This is Diamond Wedding Star unit. We'll learn how to make this unit. And then we'll go on to the B unit, which is the feathered star. That's this unit here. You'll learn how to make that. And then we'll also be learning how to cut out T templates, which are basically cutting the fabric to the exact size. That's what the background pieces are. That's unit C. And with this unit, or with cutting out these templates, I'll show you how to use the T templates, but also I'll show you how to use the TRP lines, or temporary registration points is what they're called. And we use those to help line up the pieces when we assemble the quilt. And then the last block that we'll learn is the border unit, which it's these arcs here and the whole border of the quilt. You'll be able to use those same strip piecing techniques on these arcs, and then we'll do some curved piecing with some of these background strips. And then the final video will be the assembly. So probably be about 5 or 6, maybe 7 videos in the series coming out over the next couple weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. I hope you can follow along. I'd love to see you join me. Grab your quilting supplies, your pattern, get some fabric. This is a 46 by 46 wall size quilt. You'll be learning lots of great techniques. So stay tuned to my channel, and we'll see you here in the next couple of days with a brand new series on the Quiltworx Autumn Pines Beginner Paper Piecing Series.